Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel and welcome back for those who are returning. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I am here with a small collective haul from different places. What do I have? Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Home Depot. Home Depot was just getting some bent cover magnets for my dies. I only got 3 packs, and these of course are 8 by 15, and they're like $6 and some change. So about the time. I find it to be very economical, especially since I'm putting them inside of a pouch, so I don't have to worry about them, you know, losing its weight and stuff. So got this box from the Dollar Tree. Thought it was a cute little, to do a little layout for someone. And then the little bulbs, and the bottles, some other bottles, which I think I had this one, and I do have some perfumes, and the mason jugs. And then lastly, at Wally World, got some more of my label makers, the 2 packs. I got some more of the cordless safety pins, and then I got some Quilter's brass basting pins. They were gold. And then I got some more of the black ones. And then I got 2 of the gold ones. And then I got just a little mega pack of charms. Got some of the hearts and some nautical theme and some words. There's things like hope, peace, faith, handmade. And then some more nautical things. So it's 50 pieces, just 50 charms. And then I have the larger ones, but I just got some more ribbon ends. This is a 40 pack, so it's 20 and 20. It's gold and silver, and they are in various sizes. You cut those onto ribbons. You can make some bookmarks. You can make tassels. And then these were adhesive bar pins. They were on clearance, and I got those as well. So that was my little haul. Thank you for stopping by, and make sure you check us out on our my collabs. On the second Sunday of the month, it's the Dollar Tree. Use those Dollar Tree stickers up. And then on the last Sunday of the month, it is the Mixed Media collab. So, alright, you guys have a wonderful day. And thanks for stopping by. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.